Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use MidJourney for free AI art generation. I will be on this my Discord application, and make sure you will have logged in, and from here in this discover you will just find this one MidJourney board, and you will just accept the all the features right over here. And when I just slash and just give them prompt of imagine to create the AI images, and I will just give them space, and here you will see this is a prompt option. And example, I will just write black horse, and I will just tap on it enter. So let's see. So here it will says that first of all you will just subscribe it, and you will just click on this link exiting on MidJourney. So I will be just connected the both Google and Discord options right over here. And if I just tap on this profile, so I will just tap on it simply to subscribe to give them command and create the AI imagination pictures, but it will says that there is no for free. You will just join the this subscription for multiple times for everyone. So the membership starts at $10 per month with the 20% discount on yearly plan. So if you want to just buy it, so for after you will be able, and you will be just simply just give them slash, and you will just type imagine this one made with MidJourney, and you will just give them prompt of the picture to create with the AI. So it will be just give them enter command and the picture are created. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.